Zoop sent me this for review. There would be a discount code in the description, and any purchases made will support the channel. As far as rigidity, this panel pretty much falls right in the middle. It's got a pouch, 2 legs on it. This will recharge your power stations. If you're using a single panel like this, I would recommend a 2 to a 500 watt power bank. But it direct charges your laptop. I'll show you later. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up to a camping lantern. This has the monocrystalline N-type solar cells. It's very lightweight. With durable tempered glass, it's IP67 and 68 waterproof rated. The 16 bus bar cell technology, this gives you higher current collection with reduced hotspots, which leads to a longer lifespan. Comes with several different adapters. You plug your MC4 connectors from the panel directly into the appropriate plug on your power station. Comes with a nice long, this is about 10-foot long extension cord, which is a bonus in my opinion. And this panel is designed to retain 84 to 85% of its charge capability after 25 years. After you connect it, then you just select the charge port adapter that you needed. There's several of them to choose from to match up to your power station. In addition to RV and camping, you could also get an aftermarket Zoop product that allows you to connect this to a trickle charger, and you could actually just leave it in your boat. So it's 3 p.m. and we're reading 55, 52, 56. Here's the sky conditions right now. This camping lantern uses a USB-C, and I'm going to plug it directly into this panel, which is what I'm doing right here. Zoop also has power banks, a charge controller, solar panels in the 300, 400, 450. A nice feature is you can plug your USB-Cs, USB-As directly into the solar panel, like I'm doing right here, and I'm going to show you this lantern charging directly off sun power. So for under 100 bucks, you get a lightweight, robust. It only weighs like 8 pounds, so it's not too cumbersome. And it's got a standard design. You can hook multiple panels together in series or parallel, just like many others that are out there on the market. I think it's worth noting again, the 16 bus bar technology, the tempered glass, the IP67, 68 waterproof rating. Again, it's lightweight. It's a great entry piece. It's not going to break your bank. And if you don't have a power station, you can still take this with you and have some ability to charge your phone, your computer, and it doesn't take up much space. The handle's durable. It's a rugged design. Yeah, they did a really good job on this one. I've looked at 3 different types of solar panels so far, and I don't have a problem recommending this. I really like the fact that you got this really long cable, 10 feet. I was looking at buying one of these extensions the other day, and thanks, Zoop. I appreciate you saved me a few bucks there. They also sell this 10-foot cable on their website, and there's plenty of ample space for this extension cord, the cord that comes directly out of the solar panel, and a whole lot more, to be honest with you. This water-resistant webbing on the outside's a nice touch. Anyway, hey, I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you want to see some more product reviews, check us out. Because since I started doing this DIY cargo conversion camper, I have been getting a lot of inquiries for different products. So keep your eyes peeled. We're going to have more reviews